To replace the earpads on the AirPods Max 2 headphones, follow these straightforward steps. Check the inside of the earpads for markings indicating the left L and right R sides. The headphones also have corresponding labels to help you. Remove the old earpads. The earpads are held in place by magnets, making them easy to remove. Firmly grasp the earpad and pull it upwards to detach it from the headphone. Take the new earpad and align it with the correct side of the headphone. Gently press it into place and it will snap on securely due to the magnets. Follow the same procedure for the other earpad, ensuring it is positioned correctly. That's it. Replacing the earpads on your AirPods Max 2 is quick and simple. If you're looking for replacement earpads, they are available for purchase on our website, and the link is in the description. For any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@joesge.com. Thank you.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.